spent half the night under the stars, danced at full moon at the romantic mountain lake. Our feelings flattered like butterflies in the stomach. The fire was long ago only a warm and ember which shone like the stars.
We were in love like the crackling wood of a fire. The whole reality, we had everything.
Until the sun had risen, we laughed and talked about our goals and dreams. But suddenly
A cold breeze came from the north and blew out the fire. We were lost in the moment. We were lost in the moment.
we were too young, we were too naive. I woke up in a pain filled from the head
Till down to the foot,
and up to the heart.
every vein it hurts, the breath flattered with every breath. I can't move, neither forward, not backwards. We were lost in the moment. We were lost in the moment.
One day I will lose this pain. What remains is the memory, is the hope, and remains our new dreams and goals. What remains is the experience.